How's it going? This is Matt, and I'm going to show you guys how to turn this old mallard right here into a snow goose. Start off with a coat of white spray paint. Nothing special, just some flat white spray paint. You want to do a nice, good, liberal coating on it. You want to get every part just painted all the way white. Okay, so now we got all the ducks, all these old mallards are all painted white. So the next part, I'm using this, this is just some normal old house paint. It's just a sample. The one that I use is called Coral. It's like a pinkish orange color, but it works great for these beaks right here. So we just get a just a simple brush here, and we paint just the beaks here. Just the beaks. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. The way that I look at it is, by the time that they notice that it's not perfect, then they're already dead. Now we got the beaks all painted there. That's what they look like. The next part will be to blacken the eyes and then blacken the tail feathers. We'll pick up on that on the next video. All right, so the next part is we're gonna take some black paint and we're gonna paint the eyes, and then we'll paint the black strips that are on the back side of the snows. It's pretty simple for the eyes here. And once again, it doesn't need to be perfect. Something like that. Okay, so on the back side, the feathers that come across on the tail feathers, if you will, on the snows, it's actually where the wing feathers come across, but it comes across like this, something like that, something like this. Nothing fancy, just comes across like this. Okay, so once I get the main outline of what I do, I'll come back in with this little bit more detailed brush, and I'll detail it out a little bit, make the lines a little straighter. You know, it doesn't need to be perfect, but I just come in. Like on this one, you can see there's a little bit of touch up I can do right there, and just clean it up a little bit, right here. I just come back through and clean it up. One thing is, you want to make sure you don't use gloss black paint. You want to use flat black paint on there. And the finished product will look something like this.